We got rod knock. It's idling better, but we got rod knock. Well, it sounds like a lifter tick. It might have bent.
Look, it's 14.
I mean, it's still idling like shit. Oh. Ooh, shit. What?
Disconnect the
thing? Don't touch the gas at all.
It's still going to do it. Now connect it again.
I just took it off and put it back on.
Oh, look.
That's like the brake.
It's a brake. It's a vacuum then. It has to be.
Look at the exhaust. The exhaust is about to fall off.
It's literally on the floor. So, for the brake, there's a vacuum. Wouldn't it be something, whatever's connected to that?
Piece of shit. Someone buy it. It doesn't. That's the ground for a sub.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's see what's good with this. Burnt the shit out of it too.
So it's dragging it. Look at the exhaust, how it's silted.
On the floor. Plus flat 5 to loudness. Look, someone's going in the soup.
Alright, so
It's a girl. With the city.
is it? Nice WRX over there. Yeah, so the ticking sounds like I've bent valves or something. If it was rod knock, I think it would be loud. It wouldn't be like a tick. Don't open that.
A chung. Yo, is this German? What the fuck? A chung is German?
It's like Chinese.
No, that's German. A chung! That's what they said in the Nazi death camps. You remember?
No, I haven't been there.
I paid attention to history. It'd be like a chung, like attention. The struggle, yo.
Yeah, good news to bad news. Bad news to good news. It's what life is, so figure something out. Alright, swag out.